Okay, so this is the second page of the notes from 3.1. I separated it into two videos so it wouldn't be too long to listen to all at once. And this page just focuses on the examples. So again, we see our picture that we're going to become really familiar with, which has two parallel lines. I'll change these to lines. So K and L are parallel lines. And then we have this transversal L coming through the middle here. And that gives us these 8 angles. Remember, the angles will be numbered different numbers in different spots, and it's really more about the position. So if I say name the interior angles, these 4 angles are on the interior or inside the parallel lines. So angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6. And you do have to have the angle symbol every time. If those 4 are the interior angles, which 4 are the exterior angles? You're right, angle 1, angle 2, angle 7, angle 8. And order doesn't matter here, right? Now we start to name them in pairs. 2 pairs of alternate interior. Alternate interior angles here would be angle 4 and angle 6. Answer it! And similarly, angle 3 and angle 5. Now we have 2 pairs of alternate exterior angles. So alternate exterior are on opposite sides on the outside of the transversal. So this would be angle 1 and angle 7 and angle 2 and angle 8. And again, you can say the pairs in any order. Like I could say angle 8 and angle 2, that would be fine. But I have to have the angle symbol. Then when I go to same side interior, I'm just going to erase it and start over here. So same side interior on the same side on the inside would be angle 4 and angle 5. And on the other side, angle 3 and angle 6. Similarly, same side exterior would be angle 1 and angle 8. And then on the other side, angles 2 and 7. Same side interior, same side exterior. I'm going to erase again because corresponding angles are kind of their own thing. So corresponding angles would be like angle 1 and angle 5, angle 4 and angle 8, angle 7 and angle 3, and angle 6 and angle 2. Those are our corresponding angles. Vertical angles, we know those. They're across from each other, always equal. So that would be like angle 1 and angle 3. Angle 2 and angle 4, angle 5 and angle 7, angle 6 and angle 8. And then, of course, we have so many adjacent supplementary. Those are our sunrise, sunset angles that make a straight line. So this would be angle 1 and angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6, and angle 7 and angle 8, looking at it one way. And then if we look at it another way, we kind of see sunrises and sunsets this way. That would be angle 2 and angle 3, angle 1 and angle 4, angle 6 and angle 7, angle 5 and angle 8. Sunrise, sunset. That's kind of all the angles. Now we just would say like specific ones. And now this picture kind of ramps it up, right? Because we've got angle or line R, line S, line M, line L, and so it'll tell you which transversal. So here it says along transversal R, name the 4 interior angles. That would be angle 2, angle 3, angle 5, angle 8. 4 exterior angles along S, so here's S. The 4 exterior along S would be angle 9, angle 12, angle 14, angle 15. Alternate interior along M, here's M, so that's going to be angle 3 and angle 9, angle 4 and angle 10. Alternate exterior along L, here's L. Alternate exterior here, 5 and 15, 5 and 15, and then angle 6 and angle 16. I'm going to erase again here just to start clean here. So here if I have same side interior along S, there's S. Wouldn't same side interior be 10 and 13 and on the other side 11 and 16? Same side exterior along R, oops, that's not R, this is R. So same side exterior along R would be angle 1, angle 6, angle 4, angle 7. And corresponding on R, there's R again, corresponding would be like angle 1 and angle 5. Once you get one pair, you're kind of like, oh, I see. Then it's also 2 and 6, and it's also 4 and 8, and it's also 3 and 7. The last thing, finally, right? So finally, we're looking at alternate interior. These are really the ones we're going to use the most. And I call these the Z angles because they kind of make a Z. I mean, it's a creative Z. But it would be here, angle 1 and angle 3 are the alternate interior angles. And then I have a backwards Z here with angle 2 and angle 4. So each picture has two pairs of Z angles, alternate interior, angle 2 and angle 3. And then, of course, the backward ones would be angle 1 and angle 4. And we're going to see these pictures a lot in this chapter. Here we have angle 2 and angle 3, and then our backwards Z here, angle 4 and angle 1. So we just want to introduce how the alternate interior angles look in those pictures. So here's some more examples of all the types of angles.